Hi, Gary here with Automatic Door Hardware. What I have here is a BEA 433 megahertz transmitter, which uses a 9-volt battery. This goes in most push plates. If you do happen to have a push plate that is, as an example, that uses like a smaller box or a low profile box, then you wouldn't want to use this one. There's another model for that, which I'll bring up in another video. The low profile model part number is 10td433pb9v volt, and it doesn't use a 9-volt. It's exactly like this, but it uses a little 3-volt battery that's contained inside of this box. This particular transmitter part number is 10td433pb9v, and this is available at autodoorandhardware.com.